Hello, everybody. How you doing today? I'm doing fine. It's such a pretty day. It's springtime. Yay! I love springtime. The snow starts to melt and the grass comes up and it gets green and the birds come back and flowers bloom. Oh, it's just so nice. Hey, I've got a song about springtime. Do you want to hear it? Okay. Oh, look, it's a bird. What do birds say? Right, tweet. The song goes like this. Little birds go tweet, 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 tweet. Little birds go tweet, tweet, tweet in the springtime. Yay! Good job! Oh, what's that? Right, it's a sheep or a lamb. We'll call it a lamb. What does a lamb say? Yes! Bah! Okay, let's sing again. This time you can help me. Ready? Little lambs say ba ba ba, ba ba ba, ba ba ba. Little lambs say ba 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 in the springtime. Good job! Oh, next we have a bunny. Oh, he's so cute. We are going to sing Little Bunnies Go Hop, Hop, Hop. Can you hop like a bunny? Let's see. Oh, that's good. Okay, you can hop during the song. Here we go. Little bunnies go hop, 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 hop. Little bunnies go hop, hop, hop in the springtime. Yay! That was good hopping. Oh, next is a duck. What do the ducks say? Right! Quack, quack! Little ducks go quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Little ducks go quack, quack, quack in the springtime. Oh! Ah! It's a pig! Oh! What do pigs say? Right! Oink, oink, oink. Little pigs go oink, 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 oink. Little pigs go oink, oink, oink in the springtime. Bye, piggy. Do we have any more? Oh, it's a bee. I don't know if I like bees. Do you guys know what a bee says? Right! It says buzz. Okay, can you buzz? Here we go. Little bees go buzz, 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 buzz. Little bees go buzz, buzz, buzz in the springtime. Yay! Oh, that was so much fun. Thanks for singing with me. Bzzz. Oh, what are you doing? Bzzz. What are you doing, bee? Bzzz. Oh no, he sounds angry. Bzzz. I'm getting out of here. Oh! Bzzz. Oh no, he's chasing me. Bzzz. Run! where that bee comes back. Thanks for singing with me. I'll see you later. Bye. Ah.